Hello friends, my name is Dr. Amit. I am founder director of Cosmetic Surgery. Today I'm going to give you an amazing piece of news. Our new center, Divine Institute of Aesthetic and Plastic Surgery, is going to soon come up in one of the most fabulous locations of South India. And we're going to bring in a whole lot of new technologies and new procedures and a whole lot of satisfaction for all our existing and new patients. In the next 5 minutes or so, I'm going to tell you about what we stand for, about what Divine stands for. I'm going to tell you why you can feel safe at Divine, what I promise to change in your life. So let me go back a few years. I became a plastic surgeon about 15 years back, and since then, I with my team, my entire team, we've consulted over 20,000 patients. We've done nearly 7,000 hair transplants. We've done nearly 5,500 plastic surgery procedures. And so many of you trust us. People come in from far places like Guwahati, from Manipur, from Chennai, even further from Kerala, from Bombay, from Gujarat, and from Srinagar. They also come in from different countries across the globe. Why do they come to us? Why we at Divine give you that trust and confidence that we will look after you? Let's try to understand that. One of the biggest things that we have tried to promote has been that feeling of confidence. Most of our patients know that we will only tell them the truth. We'll be very honest in our approach to you. If your expectation is too much from our procedure, we will say no. If we know that we cannot give you a good result, we will say no. We will guide you so that you don't make a mistake. Why is that? Because we stand very, very strongly for honesty and sincerity. We have a very strong recruitment mechanism. My entire team, I've got a huge team of amazing individuals. We at Divine understand that we are there because of everybody who is with us, who is supporting our dream. Whether they be the person at the reception, whether they be the person who looks after my job commitments, whether they be the person who's editing these videos, whether they are the person who's counseling you to take a better decision. They're all well trained. They've been told to do their job with sincerity. They've been told that they will deal with you like you are their family members. They've been told that the empathy, the compassion they have to generate is as if it's their own family member. We carry out regular training mechanisms of all our teams, be them at the reception, my operating theatre team. We hold regular training programs for them, both theory and practical. We do regular testing. We check each and every of their procedures. We check what they do because we want them to never be slack. We want them to be always on their toes to make sure that we deliver what you expect of us. We have 2 more plastic surgeons on board, and very soon we will increase that strength a lot. They are trained qualified plastic surgeons, and we aim to always use each other's brains and to add experience to every procedure. We show total commitment to your follow-up. Whether it is me, whether it is my other fellow doctors, whether it is my team, your follow-up is more important to me than the procedure. Because for me, I believe that strong relationships are built during the follow-up period. A patient feels confident that Divine will look after them in the follow-up period. That's how strong we believe. That's the strength of our systems. We try to only carry out the procedures which we know we'll be able to do very good work at. Very soon you will see us expanding horizontally and including more and more verticals in the entire armamentarium that we have. We will be also bringing along other fields which are related to plastic and aesthetic surgery. You will see a whole change in the approach that we have. We're going to bring in non-surgical aesthetics such as laser hair removal, tattoo removal. We're going to also bring in non-surgical vagina tightening, laser vagina tightening devices, and you're going to see an entire different spectrum which has never existed before at Divine. We have a very strong IT team that makes sure that we spread good information on our channels, whether they be Instagram or the website or other media channels. The information that we are passing across on all these media has been checked, verified many number of times. We're also working internationally with a lot of extremely talented individuals. We've got people working from Pakistan, we've got people from Uzbekistan, we've got other people working from some different countries, Vietnam. The reason we want to get in all the flavors from across the globe. It's a huge team, and I promise we're going to be increasing the team with amazingly qualified individuals. Why? The reason is you. The only reason is you. Because I want you to feel confident that you are at the right place. In just a couple of months, we're going to launch our new center, and you're going to be so surprised with the entire change of philosophy, with the entire change that you're going to see within the center. The whole philosophy is going to be so much more friendly, so much for you. You are our focus, and today I commit to you that whatever we will do is only for you. You are our strength, and you are the reason that we want to innovate and get you the best that plastic surgery has to offer. Once again, from my entire team at Divine, I invite you to be part of our new dream and enjoy the great successes that we strive to bring and completely transform your lives forever.